So, welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video, isasama ko kayo dito sa school ng mga bata at ito yung free summer class na ina-undergo nila. So, free lang to guys, hindi siya matagal at almost 2 weeks lang ginaganap. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano nag-e-enjoy yung mga anak ko habang in-enjoy nila yung bagong environment dito sa school. Actually, ito yung first time na pupunta sila dito sa school na to kasi si Ate Gia is turning grade 1 na and si Risi ay nursery 1 naman. So, first time nila dito sa school na to at ayan, watch nyo lang guys. Gia, Angeline, Chi, Uga, teacher. What's the name of teacher? Carm. Teacher Carmela. Oh.
Teacher Carmela.
Oh, Teacher Carm. Teacher Carm.
Good stuff.
That's why you're good job. Oh, put it inside your bag, ate. Oh, we have to wait for Risi. Ate. Inside your bag. Oh, go.
Mommy, this is not
Teacher Calm give you a good thumbs up. Yeah.
Mommy,
Oh.
this is not get down.
Not yet. We have to wait recess time.
What's that?
Hindi maalis ah.
Get down. Because what's that?
Hindi maalis ah. What did she said? Okay.
Hi.
Thumbs up. You happy, ate? You so risky?
So, here. Doon, hanggang doon tayo sa dulo. No. Ate Ruth. Okay. No, you join the, don't press the line.